Contractor Foreman provides a central repository to organize and store all your files and photos with fast, easy retrieval. It's hard to argue with success. Logically upload and tag your files for easy access. Markup, save, send, and share capabilities that keep your communication flowing like never before. If you have enabled the client portal, you'll be able to select which files and photos you share with your clients at the click of a button. From there, you can also annotate your plans and drawings or other PDFs. Need to edit a Word or Excel document? No problem. Do it all without ever having to download and upload changes. Get your point across with our easy-to-use photo markup capability. Need to draw attention to a punch list item on a photo? No problem. Or maybe you want to add arrows and text to a photo? You name it, you draw it. Our easy-to-use redline tool lets you annotate and mark up your plans, drawings, and PDFs. It's really quite a simple thing to do with Contractor Foreman. Also, file sharing is simple and easy with Contractor Foreman. Pick a file and share it. Grab a single file or bunch and download it or email it directly to someone. Our permission settings allow you to control which users have access to your files, photos, and project documents. We integrate with cloud-based storage such as Dropbox, Google Drive, and others. Easily attach files in the cloud to your record in Contractor Foreman, where if you make a change to the file, it automatically syncs to the cloud storage. And you will love our camera feature. It's a big time saver. Just take a picture right from the app and it loads directly into the module and associated project. No more clumsy, time-consuming, complicated processes downloading from a gallery somewhere and figuring out how to save it in the right place. And if you're a company cam user, our integration makes it super simple for the photos taken in your company cam to automatically synchronize and associate to the correct project in Contractor Foreman. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to organize and use your files and photos.